Learn how to effectively manage your finances with Finance with Chahat. Discover the key highlights of today's discussion on cash flow, protection, and investment. Start by allocating a percentage of your income to different expense categories for better cash flow management. Ensure that 50% of your income is dedicated to fulfilling your primary needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Allocate 30% of your income towards fulfilling your wishes and desires without exceeding this limit. Make it a habit to save 20% of your income before allocating funds for your needs and wishes. Move on to the next step of financial planning by allocating funds for protection derived from your savings. Create a comprehensive protection fund that includes insurance coverage and an emergency fund for unforeseen circumstances. Once you have established a sufficient protection fund, start allocating funds for investment in properties, mutual funds, or gold. Thank you for your interest. Visit Finance with Chahat on YouTube for more valuable insights on managing your finances effectively.